Introducing the 2020 non-franchise Audi A5 diesel Sportback. 40 TDI S Line 5DR S Tronic in sleek black exterior. With 39,585 miles and a 2-litre diesel engine, this hatchback is packed with comfort and safety features, including air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, LED lights, and more. The interior boasts luxury trim and convenient features like satellite navigation and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Enjoy peace of mind with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit donnellygroup.co.uk for more information today.